Hi everyone, Emma here and welcome back to another watercolour warm-up session. So today I'm working on hot press paper and this is Fabriano Artistico. It's a £140 paper again, and we're just using three colours today, and they are, let me show you, we're using phthalo green blue shade, we're using Van Dyke brown, and the last one is quinacridone violet. So I might also do a little bit of doodling with this one because I fancy a bit of doodling today, and if I do then I'll be using a Pigma Micron in size 01 or 005, one of those two. So right, let's get on with painting. And one more thing before we do, I forgot to tell you that I will just be using my two silver brushes today in size 4 and size 2. And for what I'm thinking that I want to go with, we're going to need very, very watered down paint, a lot of water. So bear that in mind, that is how I think the direction that I'm going to go in. So anyway, enough talking, let's get on with it. Okay, so there we go, there's our finished little watercolour warm up, and as you can see we've got some lovely transparent layers going on there where you can see what's underneath. So let's just take this tape off. And this tape is proving to be a little bit strong, and it's actually torn a little bit of my paper, so I think that's partly me being reckless and ripping the paper off, and partly the tape is a little bit strong. Be a bit more careful on this edge. There we go, all finished. So I really hope you enjoyed this little watercolour warm up, and if you have any questions or comments then please leave them down below and I will answer them as soon as I can. And I hope you'll join me next time. If you did enjoy it then please like and subscribe down below, and don't forget to hit that little bell so that you're notified every time I upload a video. So if you have any feedback or any subjects or tips and techniques that you'd like me to go over with you, then again please leave me a message and I'll be happy to help you as much as I can. So okay, thanks guys, and see you next time. Bye.